Alright, so we got a tool haul and a bourbon haul. We'll start with the bourbon. I'm really excited to get my hands on a bottle of Stag. As you can see, it's a 127.4 proof. And the state I live in cost me $55.14. $60 including tax. So, not heartbroken at all to spend that on a fantastic bottle. Next up, there's two flats of tools. Let me see what I've got here. These are online auction. I threw out $5 a bid. I ended up winning them. Just to do a quick overview here. All right, let me sort through them, show you what I got. All right, you've seen these little trays. There's really not a whole lot in there. I mean, got just some junk. Got brass pins go in the recycle box there, but there's a knife. Yeah, whatever that is, garbage. There's nothing in that tray. This tray has a little, that's not very good there. Got half-inch shank. That'll fit in the old blacksmith drills. So we'll keep that. We'll keep that centered. Garbage. What's in here? Carbide tape bit. Yeah, that's brand new. I'll be able to sell that. I don't know. I'm not going to trust that. And some earplugs. Some connectors. I'm not going to trust these test leads. Farrier's rasp. It looks like it's been through a fire. We'll donate this to the blacksmith iron in the hat group. Good size drill bits. Broken hacksaw. Okay, and try and hurry this up. See, drill bits. Spade bits. This saw here, it's like a Japanese draw saw, but I don't know, but it doesn't cut that way, but it cuts on your draw. Hang on to that. Right the first time. Got a nice fractional drill size gauge. Got a little mirror here. It's a little floppy woppy one. Dandelion puller. Little coping saw. This would be a fun one to clean up. Bridgeport. So clean that one up. That'll be a fun project. More drill bits. A tap. Looks pretty new. Easy out. Might be key stock. Have no idea. Some composite electric. I don't know. Pretty nice wire brush. And a Yankee. What number? 103A drill. Had two hole saws. So you see there wasn't really much in that flat, but let's go to the next one. See what we have. Alright, let's go through this next flat. A Durex 10-in-1 screwdriver set. Chinese locking pliers. Here's some more Chinese locking pliers. These ones are Pasco. Can you see with all that glare? Sorry. Pasco USA. Handles have seen better days, but I mean, for those to use. These ones are tool and service. They do have cool little handle embellishments though. Looks like that's garbage. We have a Stanley screw machine. We have a, oh, let me get you in camera here. Reed and Prince. Phillips screw machine. This one was Taiwan 3/8 drive. We've got Craftsman extension. We've got a no-name extension. We've got a Walden 3/8 to quarter. This one is a Ace 3-inch extension. This one is a KD extension. Hold still, hold still. Little Craftsman 1/4 inch ratchet, wire brush, little Craftsman swivel, almost dropped it. Socket, little socket. What's this one? This one's Proto. Maybe we can see it there. Proto. Spark plug sockets. Pins. Another socket. I think that was Craftsman. Yeah, it's Craftsman. Todd, I have your flashlight. It still works. And some gloves. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Let me know. Comment what your favorite item was that I found. I'd have to say mine is probably the Burbon, but there's really good juice in there. I'm excited. I'll have to take my time drinking it. Thanks for watching. Bye.